Birds outdoors. Where do you find birds? Birds fly in the sky. They sit on tree branches. They sit on power lines and fences. Can you find a bird outdoors? Birds are animals. Where do birds find food to eat and water to drink? Birds need air and shelter too. It's an owl and a seagull and an eagle. Birds have feathers and wings. What else do you see? It's a hummingbird. Birds have a beak to get food. Some birds eat fish. Other birds eat worms or insects. This is Miss Brown's favorite kind of bird right here. It's a red cardinal. Some birds eat plants and seeds. What else do birds eat? Birds build nests for shelter. Female birds lay eggs in a nest. What will hatch from the eggs? Look at the shapes and colors of these birds. Look at their feathers, eyes, and beaks. How are these birds the same? How are they different?